welcome to the mathematics class. This class is for class 8 and chapter that we will be discussing is factorization, that is chapter number 14. Today's topic is factorization of trinomials and this class is in continuation to the previous class of factorization. Now factorization of trinomials. Trinomial, I hope we all know that a polynomial having three terms is a trinomial. Now how to factorize? So I'll write the general equation. Means if you find any number or any polynomial in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, this is a trinomial where a, b and c are whole numbers, belong to whole or real numbers, A, B and C are real numbers, and x square, x to the power 1 and x to the power 0. Something to the power 0 is 1, so 1 into c is c. So now what we do, first of all we will check whether a given equation is in this form or a given polynomial is in this form or not. Sometimes a is 1, so this is given as, sometimes you will find it as a is 1 x square plus bx plus c. This way also sometimes we can find this equation in this form. Now what is the method? We multiply a and c. First and last terms are multiplied among themselves. Then we get AC. Now this AC is factorized by the normal value. Then AC is factorized. We will get some factors M, N, O, P, Q like this. Suppose we are getting these factors. So we have to arrange these factors, all these factors. Suppose I say that AC is equal to M into N into O into P into Q. So these factors are arranged in such a manner that either the sum or the difference of these factors is equal to B. B should be equal to the sum or difference of the factors. And if it is in the form of sum or the difference of the factors, then we break this term. This is the middle term. It is also known as, this factorization is also known as splitting the middle term. Is also known as splitting the middle term in your level. But when you move on to higher classes, say 9th and 10th, this only is known as quadratic equation. This will convert into quadratic equations in higher classes, but in this class or in up to this level, it will be considered as factorization of trinomials. Now I start with the questions and then I'll tell you how to solve, how to use this concept. Now I am starting with exercise 14G and first I am taking question number 2. There are 25 questions, so I will be doing in the multiples of 2. Now this is a polynomial. If you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c, you will get a as 1, b as 8 and c as 15. What was told to you? That a and c are multiplied, means 15 and 1 will be multiplied. So 15 into 1 is 15. Now 15 into 1, that is 15. It has to be factorized. We know it will divide by the smallest number, that is 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So factors of 15 are 3 into 5. Now these factors have to be arranged in such a manner that either the sum or the difference of the factors must be equal to the middle term. X square plus 8x plus 15. We know that 5 plus 3 is 8. So their sum is coming equal to 8. And here what we need? Either the sum or the difference. So we are getting sum. It means this can be written as x square plus 8 can be written as 3 plus 5 times x. 8, 3 plus 5, x, so x plus 15. Now what happened in this? The middle term has been broken into 2. So that is why it is known as splitting the middle term. The middle term, that was 8, has been split into 2 parts, 3 and 5. Now when we open the bracket, we will get x square plus 3 into x, 3x, plus 5 into x, 5x plus 15. Now this trinomial has been converted into 4 terms. So now we can easily make groups and we can take common from the first group and from the second group. From the first group we can take x common. What is left? X plus 3. Then plus is there. From the second group also we can take 5 common. What is left? X plus 3. You need to make sure that whatever is left in this bracket has to be exactly same in the second bracket. If these both numbers or these both algebraic polynomials are equal or same, it means our all the calculation is correct. So now we can take x plus 3 common from these two groups or these two. So what is left? In the first bracket x is left, in the second bracket 5 is left, and that is the final answer or final value. Now we'll take question number 4 and I'll again explain to you in the same respect. Next question I am taking is question number 4. X square minus 17x plus 72. Here also, if you compare it with the general equation ax square plus bx plus c, you can easily make out that value of a is 1, value of b is minus 17. Please note minus 17 because we are comparing with plus bx, and c is 72. I'll tell you how to compare. So x square minus 17x plus 72 has to be compared to ax square plus bx plus c. C is 72, b is minus 17. You can say plus b is equal to minus 17. It means that b is equal to minus 17 and a is equal to 1. Nothing is here. It means it is not 0. It is 1 because 1 into x square will be x square. But if you put 0 over here, this whole equation will become 0. And if it will become 0, then the first term will disappear and this will become a binomial, not a trinomial. So the question will be wrong. So always, if nothing is given before a square, we always take it as 1. We will never take it as 0. I hope this is clear to you all. Now, what we do, we multiply a and c, 1 and 72. So we will 1 into 72 is 72 and we'll factorize. So again by 2, 36, 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 9s are, and 3 3s are 9. So if now 72 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. These are the factors of 72. If we arrange, what we arrange, if I take 2 to the 4 to the 8 and 9. So we know that 8 plus 9 is 17. It means this minus 17 can be written as 8 plus 9. Factors are arranged in such a manner that either the sum or the difference is equal to the middle term, and middle term is minus 17. So what we are going to do, x square minus, we will break 17 as 8 plus 9. 8 and 9 is 17 times x plus 72. This is very important step. If you have understood this, it means everything is clear. Now next step, we'll open the bracket. X square minus 8x minus into plus is minus 9x plus 72. From these two we will take x common. What is left? X minus 8. From these two we can take minus 9 common. Then plus x will be left and we have taken minus, so here it will come minus, and 9 8 is 72. You can see both the values that are left are same. It means our calculation is right. Now we can take x minus 8 common from both, and then what is left? X is left in the first bracket, minus 9 is left from the second bracket, and that is the final value. Now we move on to question number 6. X square plus 5x, x square plus 5x minus 50. 50 into 1, a is 1 here, so it is minus 50. Now minus 50 has to be factorized. We know that 5 into 10 is 50 and 10 minus 5 will be 5. Factors of 50, let's talk about 50 only, leave that minus sign. So 50 is simply 5 into 10. This also can be written as 2 into 5, but I am getting my answer from this only. And if I say 10 minus 5, we are getting the middle term. We need what? 5. And we know that 10 minus 5 is 5 and 10 into 5 is 50. Means the product of this A and C, when factorized, the factors are 5 into 10, and when these factors are arranged, we are getting them as middle term. So what we can do? X square plus, now 5 is there, so, and factors are 10 and 5, so we will write 10 minus 5 into x minus 50. 5 can be written as 10 minus 5, and 10 into minus 5 is equal to minus 50. Means these are the factors. Product of the factors is equal to AC, and sum or the difference is equal to the middle term. So 5 can be written as 10 minus 5 into x and then minus 50. Now we open the bracket. X square plus 10x minus 5x minus 50. From first we can take x common. What is left? X plus 10. From second we can take minus common. Minus 5 common. What is left? X plus 5 tens are 50. You can see both these values are same that are left. So we will take x plus 10 common, and what is left in the first bracket x, in the second it is minus 5, and that is the answer. Now we move on to question number 8. Question number 8. Now it is there given x square minus 4x. X square minus 4x minus 5. Here a is 1, b is minus 4, and c is minus 5. When we compared with the general equation, we found that value of a is 1, value of b is minus 4, and value of c is minus 5. Now minus 5 into 1 is, a is 1, so minus 5 into 1 is minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Now minus 5 has to be factorized. Now 5 cannot be factorized into prime factors because it's already a prime number. It means 1 into minus 5 or minus 1 into 5. That is all. But we need what? Minus 4. Minus 4 we need. It means we will take this factor. Why this factor? Because when we add minus 5 and 1, we will get minus 4. And what was our concept? The factors are arranged in such a manner that the product or the, that the sum or the difference of the factors is equal to the middle term. You can see when I take minus 5 and plus 1, we are getting minus 4, that is the middle term. At the same time, when minus 5 and 1 are multiplied, we are also getting the product, that is minus 5. So this minus 4 can be written as x square minus 4 can be written as 5 minus 1 into x minus 5. Simply we can write 4 as 5 minus 1. When you open the bracket, it will become x square minus 5x, minus into minus is plus x minus 5. Now from these two we can take x common. What is left? X minus 5 plus. Here nothing is common, but at least we can make that 1 is there which can be taken common from x and 5, because x into 1 is x and 5 into 1 is 5. So what we'll do, we will take 1 common. When nothing is common, we take 1 common. Now what is left? X minus 5. You can see both the values are same. So x minus 5 is taken common, and what is left? X in the first bracket and 1 in the second bracket. That is the final value. Now we move on to question number 10. X square minus 2x minus 24. Now 24, factors of 24, we know that 24 is 6 fours are 24, and 6 minus 4 will give you 2. So simply means this I have done orally 24, otherwise you would have done it this way: 24, 2 12s, 2 6s, 2 3s, and 3 1s. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So I have done it orally like that. Now anyway, now this is x square minus 2 can be written as 6 minus 4, because we know the factors, into x minus 24. So x square minus 6x, minus and minus is plus 4x plus 24. We take x common, x minus 6 plus so x square minus 6x plus 4x and minus 24. So x square, x common, x minus 6, then minus common, minus 4 we can take common. So plus 4 we can take common, so that we will be left with x minus 6. You have to be very careful about what you are taking common. Here if I take minus common, this 24 will become positive, and here I will be getting plus 6, and this is not going to match with x minus 6. So I have taken plus 4 common, x is left, minus 6 is left. Now these two are common, so x minus 6 and x plus 4 are the factors of the given trinomial. Now we move on to the next question. Next question I am taking question number 12, y square minus 11y plus 24. Now 24 is C and A is 1. A is 1, B is minus 11 and C is 24. We need to factorize 24 in order to get 11. Let's see what we have. 2 12s, 2 6s, 2 3s. Now if you see, 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. If we take these, this will become 8 to the 4 to the 8. 8 3s are 24 and 8 plus 3 is 11. It means minus 11 can be written as 8 plus 3. So y square minus 11 will be written as 8 plus 3 times y plus 24. Where now we open the bracket, y square minus 8y minus and plus is minus 3y plus 24. From this we can take at least y common. We are left with y minus 8, and from these two we can take minus 3 common, so that we are left with y. Then minus is common, so inside there will be minus, and 3 8s are 24. You can see both these values are same, so our calculation part is alright. Now we can take y minus 8 common from, means this and this has been taken common. What is left? Y in the first bracket, from the first bracket, and minus 3 from the second bracket, and that is the final value. Now let's move on to question number 14. What is there in question number 14? A square minus 29a plus 204 plus 204. Now in this what we will do, we have to find the factors of 204, and then we will find the factors, then we will arrange them so that we get minus 29. Let's see, 204. Now 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. 17 into 3 into 2 into 2 is the factor of 204. 204 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 17. We need what? 29. So 2 to the 4, 3 is a 12. This is 12 and plus 17 makes 29 and 12 into 17 will make 204. Means we have to just arrange the factors so that we may get the middle term. Now we have got the factors 12 and 17, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 12. This total is taken as one factor and this is a separate one. So 12 into 17 is 204 and 12 plus 17 is 29. So this can be written as a square minus. Now 29 can be written as 12 plus 17. Splitting the middle term. We had splitted the middle term times a plus 204. Now we'll open the bracket. A square minus 12a minus 17a plus 204. Obviously from the first we can take a common. What is left? A minus 12. And from the second it's for sure we will take 17 common. What will be left? A minus 12 will be left. Why? Because we know 12 into 17 is 204 and from 204 17 has been taken out. So it's very true that only 12 is left. Now these two will be taken common. A minus 12. What is left? A minus 17 and that is the final value. Now we move on to the 16th question. Now question number 16 is a square minus 5a minus 176. Again capital A is 1, capital B is minus 5, capital C is minus 176. So minus 176 into 1 is minus 76. I am minus 176. I am leaving minus 176. So we will factorize 176 first and check what are the factors. 176. Now 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. And we need what? 5. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to 16 minus 11 is 5. So you can easily make out that 176 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Now these 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16. 16 into 11 is 176 and minus 16 plus 11 is minus 5, or you can say 16 minus 11 is 5 and minus was already outside. It means what we'll do, 5 we will write it as 16 minus 11. So a square minus 16 minus 11 into a minus 176. Now we open the bracket. A square minus 16a minus minus plus 11a plus 176. From these two we can take a common. What is left? A minus 16. Now here it was minus 176. Minus 176. Now from here we can take plus 11 common. Because if I take minus, this will become positive inside, and here I need minus 16. So when we take 11 common, what is left? A minus, we know 176 is equal to 16 into 11. 11 is taken out, so 16 is left. So minus 16. So a plus 11 and a minus 16 is the final value. Now we move on to question number 18. M square minus 19m minus 92. Here also you can make that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 19, c is equal to minus 92. We have to factorize 92 and check how to arrange the factors to get 19. So 92, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 23 minus 4 is 19. We know that Here you can see that 23 into 2 into 2 is equal to 92. This 2 and 2 will make 4. So 23 minus 4 is 19 and 23 into 4 is 92. So this 19 can be written as 23 minus 4. So m square minus 19 can be written as 23 minus 4 into m minus 92. Now when we open the bracket, it will be m square minus 23m minus n minus will become plus 4m minus 92. From this you can take m common, m minus 23 is left, plus from this you can take, from these two we can take 4 common, m minus 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 23. You can see both the answers are same. It means m minus 23 is taken common and m plus 4 is left, and that is the factor, or that is the final value. Now we move on to question number 20. Now question number 20, you can see it is given 2x cube, and here the general equation is ax square. So first we have to make its highest power as 2 and then we will proceed. So what you can see that we can take 2 common from everywhere, from all the terms we can take 2 common, as well as we can take x also common from all these 3 terms. So I am taking 2x common from all the terms. We are left with x square plus 5x minus 24. Now this is your trinomial which has to be factorized, and 2x is also one factor of this whole trinomial. Now 24 factors are 8 into 3. 8 3 is 24 and 8 minus 3 is 5. So this 5 can be written as 8 minus 3. So how we will solve it? 2x will be written as it is, and in bracket we will solve everything. X square plus 5 can be written as 8 minus 3 into x minus 24, like this. Now this will be written as 2x. When you open the bracket, x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. From this, from these two we can take x common. What is left? X plus 8 minus 3 common from these two. What is left? X plus 8, and then 2x, x plus 8 is common, and what is left? X minus 3. So x minus 3, that is the final value. Now we move on to question number 22. Question number 22 is minus 2x cube. Minus 2x cube plus 22x square, x square plus 24x plus 24x. Now this question and this question, both of them are same. Here you can see the highest power is 3, but we need in our trinomial is highest power as 2. So from this we can take something as common. If I take minus 2x common, this will become x square of positive. Rest these two will become negative because minus has been taken common outside. So minus 11x x and minus 12. Now 12 has to be factorized to get 11. Now we know 12 is simply 12 into 1 is 12. Factors are 2, 6 2s are 4 3s are. So we have to arrange. I'll show you how we can arrange. Now 12 can be factorized as 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. So 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 is 7. So we are not getting, even if we add all the factors 3 and 2 5 and 2 7, at the maximum we are getting only 7 when we are adding the factors. So one factor that we have not considered is 12 into 1. 12 into 1 are also the factors of 12. 12 can divide 12 as well as 1 can also divide 12. And 12 into 1 is 12. But if I take 12 minus 1, that is 11, means this is the difference. And what was told, that either the sum or the difference should be equal to the middle term. Now minus 11 can be written as 12 minus 1. So here I'll write minus 2x, and here it will be x square minus 11 can be written as 12 minus 1 times x minus 12. Now when you open the bracket, it will be x square minus 12x minus n minus plus 1 into x is x minus 12. Now from these two we can take minus 2x will come as it is. From these two we can take x common. What is left? From this we are left with x minus 12, and from here nothing is common. So in the previous one of the question I told you that if nothing you get common, at least you can take 1. So we are taking plus 1 common, and what is left? X minus 12. Now you can see that these two values are same, and our main motive is so that these values should be same. If these values are same in all the respect, it means our question is, or our calculation part is right. So we can say minus 2x, and in the we can take x minus 12 common, and what is left in the first bracket? X is left, and in the second plus 1 is left, and that is the final value. Now one question is left, that is question number 24. We are going to discuss with question number 24. Now this question is x to the power 4 minus 11x square minus 80. So first of all we will convert it into quadratic as x square. So if I say that let x square may be considered as y, so this equation will convert to x, this equation will, this is x to the power 4, so it will become y square minus 11y minus 80. Why? Because it was x to the power 4, that can be written as x square whole square, and x square was y, so y square. So y square minus 11y minus 80. Now here value of a is 1, value of b is minus 11, and value of c is minus 80. We will factorize 80. So we know that 16 fives is 80. 80 is what? 16 into 5 is 80, and 16 minus 5 is 11. It is very clear that 11 can be written as 16 minus 5. So simply we will write y square minus 11 can be written as 16 minus 5 into y minus 80. When you open the bracket, y square minus 16y minus n minus plus 5y minus 80. From this we can take y common, so y minus 16 is left. From the second we can take 5 common, so y minus 16 is left. Both values are same, y minus 16 common, and what is left? Y plus 5, that is the final value. Now this we have finished this exercise. In the next class we will be discussing the next exercise, and that is also based on the same concept. Only the calculation part will be a little bit more complex. That is all. If you have understood the concept, now you can solve any question based on factorization of trinomials, or splitting the middle term, or quadratic equation. This is one method. There are 2-3 methods, but in your syllabus there is only one method. That is why we have discussed all this. So by the time, take care and stay home, stay blessed. Thank you.